Welcome to Revel, the world's best destination for adventurers and explorers, for artists and romantics, for the curious and the wild at heart. Step into the world of travel insight and destination inspiration. Revel in the experience. Today we will share the 20 most beautiful trail running places on Earth. Be sure to watch all the way to number 1 as you may glimpse death over a cliff. Number 20. Kepler Track, Fiordland National Park, New Zealand. A healthy dose of mileage along alpine ridgelines is what Kepler Track in New Zealand offers to its runners and hikers. Its ultimate tranquility and iconic expansive lakes will welcome its explorers, adding to their journey. Number 19. Copper Ridge Loop, North Cascades National Park, Washington. The Copper Ridge Loop, located inside the North Cascades National Park in Washington, is a trail pathway for runners and hikers who have been dreaming of a closer look over the glaciers, sparkling alpine lakes, and the Chilliwack River. Number 18. Hong Kong Trail, Victoria Peak, Hong Kong. The Hong Kong Trail at Victoria Peak is a pathway that leads to something exceptional. The destination consists of 8 different sections, where its first areas are quite fine. But on the latter, you have to be extra cautious as the slopes start getting rugged. Number 17. Otter Trail, Garden Route National Park, South Africa. Did you know that you have to wait at least a year to get a slot on this site? Otter Trail does not allow many people in this area. Explorers need to reserve as early as they can secure a spot among the 12 maximum people that Otter Trail can accommodate. Number 16. Bosque Trail, Albuquerque, New Mexico. The Bosque Trail in New Mexico can accommodate all skill levels of runners and hikers. It's a flat trail where adventurers can fully enjoy admiring nature without having any worry about the elevation. Number 15. Grand Canyon Walk, Greater Blue Mountains, Australia. The Greater Blue Mountains in Australia have been recognized as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Sprawling Grouse Valley, marvelous views, and lush rainforests are among the gems to see on this site. Number 14. Tahoe Rim Trail, Tahoe City, California. Tahoe Rim Trail in Tahoe City, California is famously known for its tantalizing aquamarine blue Lake Tahoe. Surrounded by gorgeous ponderosa pine and sweeping magnificent views, you won't have to think twice about heading to Tahoe. Number 13. Luxembourg Gardens, Paris, France. Luxembourg Gardens in Paris, France truly defines exquisite luxury. It's a 56-acre garden with a 1.3-mile trail loop for runners. Of course, the surroundings include the grandest Luxembourg Palace. Number 12. Carthew-Alderson Trail, Waterton Lakes National Park, Canada. Carthew-Alderson Trail in Waterton Lakes National Park in Canada has an elevation of around 1,500 feet, and the Waterton Lakes where it sits has a depth of around 500 feet. As you push through on this pathway, you will find lovely snow-capped mountains. Number 11. Zion Traverse, Utah. The diverse landscape and enthralling scenic canyons are what Zion Traverse in Utah offers. Gaining an elevation of 6,300 feet, this trail destination is for hardcore adventurers who are experts in passing through a sloppy slope and breathtaking high cliffs. Number 10. Lagunas Atlas Loop Trail, Patagonia Park, Chile. The Lagunas Atlas Loop Trail in Patagonia Park, Chile is a 14-mile trail pathway that leads to enticing gems, such as the northern Patagonian ice field, rocky outcroppings, and dense forest. There's also a scenic road along the Carretera Austral, which is perfect for bikers. Number 9. Four Pass Loop, Aspen, Colorado. Popularly known as an ambitious backpacking trip, Four Pass Loop in Aspen, Colorado is a trail path that's actually good even for a one-day run. Choosing this path will lead you to witness the Maroon Bells Snowmass Wilderness. Number 8. Potomac River, Washington, D.C. If you're in Georgetown, be sure to head over to C&O Canal Trail and follow the path toward the Rock Creek Park Trail. Once you've reached it, simply walk downwards to meet the Potomac River in Washington. Number 7. Grand Canyon Rim Trail, Arizona. Commonly known as the Rim to Rim to Rim, the Grand Canyon Rim Trail in Arizona is among the top-notch trail paths for wild-at-heart explorers. Imagine setting your feet and then viewing the site downwards. That alone can make you feel you're about to drop 5,000 feet. Number 6. Coastal Trail, Marin, Headlands, California. Across the bustling city of San Francisco is the Marin Headlands, where you can find the Coastal Trail. It's a trackway to see some supreme views highlighting the historic Golden Gate Bridge. Of course, you can also see some ocean views. Number 5. Trans-Carioca Trail, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Inspired by his experience on the Appalachian Trail, Pedro de Cunha and Menendez created a trail that exhibits his remarkable experience. This trail passes through Sugarloaf Mountain, along with blue lagoons and soothing waterfalls. Number 4. Charles River Path, Boston. The epic Boston Marathon is an event that most avid runners share with everyone. Among the trails in the marathon is the Charles River Path. It's an 8-mile loop that is perfect for non-runners. Number 3. Via Dinarica, Bosnia and Herzegovina. The Via Dinarica Trail stretches for about 1,200 miles and passes through 8 countries. This pathway is not only a running trail, but a gem that bridges the tourism of the states. Number 2. Alta Via 1, the Dolomites, Italy. One of Italy's astonishing alpine trails is the Alta Via 1. It's the equivalent spot of Mont Blanc, located on the other end of the Italian Alps. Its entire route may drain you, so be sure to pack enough water for this one. Number 1. Teton Crest Trail, Jackson, Wyoming. 8,000 feet from the ground, Teton Crest Trail is a route where you can look forward to seeing marvelous glaciers, staggered peaks, and the Death Canyon Shelf. Be sure you're not faint-hearted if you desire to see the spot in Teton. Which of these 20 most beautiful trail running places on Earth calls your name? Comment below. We're excited to hear which ones. Thanks for watching, revelers! Hey, are you a reveler yet? If not, what in the world? Join the movement. Click to subscribe, ring the bell to get notified when we upload a new video, and grab some cool merch from our store and let the world know that you too are a reveler.